Here's how to get your DJI Neo Hyperlapse images into DaVinci Resolve as a single video clip. Pick DaVinci Resolve and Preferences. Pick User and Editing. Set Standard Still Duration to 1 frame. Pick Save. You don't need to do this every time. Bring up the folder containing the images. Select the ones you want to import and drag and drop them into the timeline. To combine the images, select them, right-click and pick New Compound Clip. Give it a name and pick Create. That's it.